I just wanted to make a quick video on how to install this. I know it's pretty self-explanatory, but still I thought I'd make a video for anybody who didn't understand it. So first, you want to clean your surface, which I probably still need to do. I'll probably go clean that real quick. There's still a little bit of crap. But the one I got came with this piece for that, obviously, and then it came with this square piece for the top of here. But first, definitely clean down your surface, and if you can, clean down anything behind here. It shouldn't be dirty if you just got out of the package, but just so no dirt gets stuck under it. And yeah, let me clean that real quick. All right, yeah, I know I switched sides, but we're all clean now. Well, for the most part. I just use a soapy paper towel and then a dry one. But you're gonna start by peeling all of these off. So I'll pause the video and get back because I can't do that with one hand. So peel all the red 3M, not the, you know what I mean, not the whole tape, but just yeah, I'm not gonna try to do this. I'm gonna pause and I'll be back. Okay, so just wanted to let you know, do not forget about this one right here. It goes along the whole top of it right there. But then after you do that, then you're ready to install. I would grab it from right here and then slide it back and do it without making sure it gets all the way to the back there. But here, I'm gonna pause real quick. The biggest part is getting it to go past the center console there. Sorry guys, this is hard to do with one hand. But just make sure all of this is flush. I mean, it's just cheap 3M tape, so it's not a problem if it comes up a little bit. But I'm not sure what it's getting stopped on. Oh, my stupid cord. Yeah, make sure you guys don't have any cords in the way, because that'll definitely block it. But just play around with it because it is cheap. Remember that. Cheap, sticky stuff. So it also might help if it's in a warmer environment for it to stick better. But the good thing is if it, sorry, there's something on my phone. If it ends up not sticking, you can always take it off and do your own tape. So that's the good thing about this. It's not permanent or anything. You can always just rip it off and retape it. I think I got mine to stick down pretty good though. It's not peeling up any. The only thing I don't like is, I know it's nothing major, but you can still see a little bit of the chrome right there, or whatever that color is, that like matte gray. But no, it's in here pretty good now. Nothing's poking up. And yeah, make sure there's no cords in the way. I was wondering why it wasn't going down. And then we can go ahead and get out this, if you have this piece. I actually didn't even know that it came with this piece, but I'm glad it did because it kind of looks goofy with just this color now. But let me open this. Same thing goes for this. Make sure you peel all these 4 pieces of tape off of the red, and then make sure you clean your surface here. I already did that, but just to see how it's gonna look when it's done. I mean, that looks pretty good. I wish it was a tighter fit around here, but it's not. So just make sure you line it up evenly. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my tape now. So once you have off all your tape, I'm holding like this, and I'm gonna slide it all the way to the back and then kind of let it drop. Oh wait, maybe you shouldn't do that because I don't think it goes all the way to the back. But as long as it's, yeah. So it may not be perfect, but that's as good as I can get it. I mean, like, you can probably take it up again. It probably won't hurt it, but it's probably better to do this with 2 hands. Let me do that real quick. And there you go. So yeah, definitely do this with 2 hands because you need to line it up with 2 hands. It's the same, pretty much the same on both sides. If I had any tips that I would do before I started this, I regret not doing, was probably, it's around 50 degrees here right now, maybe even a little less than that. I would suggest turning on the car and blasting the heat for a few minutes beforehand so that it heats this up a little bit more. Or if you have a heat gun, heat it up before you place all this down so it sticks a little bit better. If you didn't do that, I'm sure it wouldn't hurt to turn on the heat right now, so it would maybe seal a little bit better because it doesn't like to stick in the cold or if it's colder. Overall, it looks a lot better though than the gray color. I like the gloss on this. It makes it look more luxurious, I guess. And I didn't even know I had this here. Do I have that on this? No. Yeah, I never sit on the side, so I don't really know. But see, stuff like that. I just want that to stick. It's doing the same thing on the other side, but hey, it's a $40 product, so you can't beat that for both of these 2 pieces. $40 only. I mean, that's pretty good. But if you want a better tape application, I guess you could do that one thing where you have the tape hanging out, and then once you place it down, you can pull it, and then it might seal a little bit better. But I don't know, I just kind of wanted to get it out of the way, but it turned out pretty good. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'll be sure to answer you as fast as I can. Make sure you like, subscribe for more small tutorials like this. I try to make any video I can, even though if it's stupid, but you never know who might have a question about it. And if anybody knows, I probably can look it up myself, but I feel like I'm missing something here. I don't know. I think there's supposed to be like a rubber pad in there maybe or something, but it just feels like there should be something in there. But anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. See ya.